Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you trying to dropship unique Etsy style products but not sure how to research and review them using Autods? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find Etsy style products, check if they are worth selling and import them with Autods. If you are ready to live up your dropshipping game with one more unique product, stick around, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive into it. So first of all, we're going to talk about can you dropship Etsy style products. So here let's search for Etsy, and you can see this is the Etsy platform. First, let's clear up things like you cannot directly dropship from Etsy. That's not allowed. Etsy sellers are independent artists, but you can find Etsy style products like custom jewelry, mugs, shirts, or wallet by using print-on-demand suppliers or trusted wholesale sources inside Autods. The goal is to bring the handmade bag and unique feel to Etsy to your own store or marketplace without breaking any rules. So now let's talk about the section number 2, that is use Autods product finder. So here if you come over here, then you will find out features called product finding. Discover winning the shipping product by using Autods. So you just need to log into your Autods account, then just click on product finder tab and pick a supplier from Etsy style items. Good suppliers include Printful, Printify, AliExpress, Handmade, or CG Dropshipping if they are integrated. Then you just need to type in keywords like custom mug or personalized jewelry, handmade gift, or boho decor. Then you just need to filter by price range, shipping country, or profit margin if you want. Autods will show you trading products that match your keywords, so you can easily see what's actually hot or trending right now. So now we are going to talk about how to review a product checklist. So let's say we are going to search for the mug here. Let's hit the enter and you will get a couple of mug. So now don't import every product you see. Here's how to review whether an Etsy style product is worth selling. You just need to check the supplier's rating. Let's say if you click over here, then look at the supplier history rating. Good suppliers have 95% plus positive feedback or high print on demand reviews. So here you just need to see these reviews. Here you can see almost 4.8 reviews out of 5 and 1.3k reviews around. Then you just need to check the product reviews. So if the product itself has solid reviews and real customer photos, that's a good sign it sells well. And the next one is shipping times. So you just need to, with that one, make sure shipping times are reasonable for your targeted country. Customer expect fast shipping just like Etsy, Prime, or Quick Etsy shop. Then you just need to see the profit margin. You just need to compare the cost plus shipping to your ideal selling price. So you want at least 20 to 40% profit margin after fees. Then customizations option. If it is a print on demand, check that you can easily upload your design or offer personalized. That's how you bring that Etsy custom vibe. So now let's talk about the analyze competitions. Next, do a quick competition check. You just need to go to the Etsy and type in your product idea. For example, custom dog mug. See how many shops sell it, what design stand out, and what pricing looks like. If the market is super saturated, look for a way to niche down. For example, instead of custom mug, do custom mug for teachers. Like we already search here mug. So I found out that mug is a big market, so I just want to find it out more deep down. So I search for mug for teachers and hit enter, and here you can see this is the mug for the teachers. So you can see how easy the process was to get and finalize and product for you. So once the market is super saturated, look for why to niche down. For example, I already give you. So unique angles help you to stand out. So now you just need to be talk about your import the product options. So once you have reviewed and picked a good product, it's time to import it. You just need to go to the Autods and then click on import on Autods and edit the title if it is needed. Make it clear, descriptive and Etsy style. Example: personalized cat mom mug, custom pet name gift. And then edit the description, add emotional copy, add the customer love heartfelt stories. Then set your pricing, make sure your profit is solid but competitive. Add clear product photos, use the ones from your suppliers plus your own mockups if you have them. When it's ready, plus push it to your store or marketplace. So now before you launch ads or promotions, order a sample for yourself if possible. Check the quality, shipping time, packaging. Does it feel Etsy level? This helps you avoid bad surprises later. Once you have or you are live response to customer questions first, handle personalized details carefully and aim for 5-star review just like top Etsy shop do, then you will be shine in that business. Now you just need to be give like let me give you a couple of tips for your users. So let's do it. So that's how to review Etsy style products on Autods and launch them like a pro. Use the finder to discover ideas, reviews each product carefully, analyze the competitions, test your listing and deliver amazing customer service. Here you can see almost 1.8 million plus dropshipper use Autods. Then 1 billion plus earned by our dropshippers like using Autods. Then almost 800 million winning products available in that place. And if you see their features, you will find out they have product finding, AI built Shopify store, then fulfilled by Autods option like automatically fulfill your orders, then ads, spy tools also. It is really amazing. You have Facebook as spy tool, TikTok is spy tool, Instagram is spy tool, and then you have these product importer options, and the last one is you have print on demand options. So it will then help you to organize and grow your business one level upper. So it is really amazing to have this kind of a features. So now let's talk about their features and beyond. You can see they have inventory management options, then the pricing, listing monitoring options, then automatic price optimizations and tracking number updates also, and also the Shopify product based AI template, which is really amazing. So here you can see the pricing also here. So if you see the pricing, it sometimes feel overwhelming, but you can see that it starts from $19 per month, so you can go with that one. Also they provide like streamline every step to dropshipping 40-day trial for $1. You can take this one, and then if you found this one is really helpful, then you can go with the final decisions. And the main thing is you can cancel at any time. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.